Hi, my name is Frei Martinez. I am student from Manuela Beltran University and there are some important events in my life. There are my categories. Number one is about my favorite vacation, which was my life trip. Number two is a childhood memory from the best day. And number three is my favorite moment at school, which was my graduation. Graduation. My favorite vacation. Where did I go? I went to San Andres, Colombia, which is beautiful island full natural and delicious food. What did you go with? I went with my family, with my son, my mother, and my mother-in-law. When was this vacation? I was a year and half age. A childhood memory. We was the situation important in your life. I was important because I was my first camping with my friend. And chose I was only one day I really enjoyed it. What were you on that moment? I was 7 years old, but that day at turned age. What were you with? I was with my friends from the neighborhood and with my parents and siblings. My favorite moment at school. We were you with. I was with my classmates, my teacher, and my relatives. We did that event happen. That was in 2005. Where are you? I was on the court I miss school, which was decorated for our graduation. Conclusion. I conclude that I have my very good memories in my life. I will always remember the big house thing I did I am with and today. Thank you. Thank you so much for your attention.